see these guys? They're awesome. That's right. Well, what are they covered with? Hair. Lots of dog hair. Where's that end up when you move them around the cars? In the interior of your car. We're going to show you how to take that out of the car interior with the least amount of fuss. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage. Say hi, Scooby. Scooby. Today we're going to introduce a product. You can go ahead and thank me in advance. If you got dogs, you know what a trouble it is to get the dog hair out of the interior of your car. Well, we've got a neat little device that really does the trick. Check it out. Welcome to the Full Octane Garage. But Zlatko here has introduced me to a new amazing product. It's called SleekEZ. It is a dog grooming tool. SleekEZ. It's a dog.
SleekEZ. I don't know, SleekEZ.
I don't know.
Like easy.
All right, well there it is.
Yeah.
You can Google that. But it's made to groom the dog. It's got an edge on the end of it. But check it out. Normally we'd be like reaching in there and trying to pick this stuff up individually. Check this out. Now, this is cloth interior. Look at that. Just scrape it up into rows, and then we'll suck it up into the vacuum cleaner. How cool is that? So that is the SleekEZ, whatever, grooming tool. It's the original. Check it out.
The SleekEZ can be found for just under $18. A link for you to purchase the SleekEZ will be included in the description below. Thanks for watching the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, share, follow, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. And check us out on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you soon at the Full Octane Garage.